forget eggs. This vegetable protein builds muscle and kills sarcopenia after 60.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ava Clark. There's something about nutrition that most people over 60 have never been told. Hidden in everyday vegetables are powerful proteins that can spark new muscle growth, restore lost strength, and protect your memory as you age. These aren't expensive powders or fancy supplements. They're simple foods sitting right on your dinner table, often overlooked for their true power. The most surprising part? One of these vegetables doesn't just match the protein power of eggs. It may actually exceed them. Imagine rebuilding your muscles, easing those heavy legs, and feeling steady on your feet again. All with foods you already know. I'm revealing 9 powerful vegetable proteins today, ranked from least to most effective. Make sure to watch until the end because the #1 vegetable on this list is so effective, it could completely replace eggs for muscle support after 60. Before we dive in, I want to know about you. How old are you? Where are you watching from? What's your biggest health challenge right now? Share in the comments. I read every single one and your story could help another senior. Let's start with vegetable protein number 9, okra. Okra may look like a simple green pod, but it offers more than meets the eye. A cup of cooked okra has about 2 grams of protein. But okra's real gift is helping your body use protein from every meal. Thanks to its soluble fiber and natural mucilage, the thick gel it's known for, okra soothes your digestive tract and improves nutrient absorption. After all, protein only helps if your body can actually use it. Beyond digestion, okra is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect muscle fibers from wear and tear. Its magnesium and potassium keep muscles contracting smoothly, preventing cramps and easing heavy legs. For seniors struggling with fatigue or nighttime cramps, this makes a real difference. Cooking it is simple. Stew it with tomatoes, roast it until crisp, or slip it into soups. In many homes, okra was once served as comfort food to calm the stomach, and it still works today as a quiet ally for strength and independence. Vegetable protein number 8, asparagus. Asparagus looks like a simple green spear, but it holds quiet power for strength and coordination. A cup of cooked asparagus offers 2 to 3 grams of protein plus choline, a nutrient that keeps communication strong between your brain and muscles. When choline runs low, movements feel shaky or slow. Asparagus keeps every step steady and confident. It's rich in folate and vitamin E, which repair cells and improve circulation, giving muscles more oxygen and energy. This means less fatigue from walking or climbing stairs and quicker recovery afterward. For seniors with swelling in the legs or ankles, asparagus offers gentle relief by helping your body release excess water without draining key minerals. With its high levels of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, asparagus protects muscle fibers from everyday wear and tear. Cook it simply. Steam until tender, roast with olive oil, or add to an omelette. Asparagus quietly supports balance, circulation, and confidence in movement. Vegetable protein number 7, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are small, but they deliver big benefits for muscles and joints. A cup of cooked sprouts gives about 4 grams of protein. Their real power lies in vitamin C, which helps your body build collagen. Collagen keeps muscles, ligaments, and tendons flexible, so movement stays smooth and recovery is quicker. They contain glucosinolates, natural compounds that calm hidden inflammation, one of the biggest silent threats to strength and mobility as we age. By reducing this damage, Brussels sprouts create healthier conditions for muscles to thrive. Another gift is vitamin K, which supports bone density and improves nerve-to-muscle communication. That means steadier steps, stronger balance, and fewer falls, essential for staying independent. Don't save Brussels sprouts just for holidays. Roast them until crisp, sauté them with garlic, or pair them with walnuts. These little greens are quiet protectors of strength, balance, and mobility. Vegetable protein number 6, broccoli. Broccoli is a quiet protector of strength. A serving offers about 3 grams of protein. Its real power comes from sulforaphane, a compound that reduces chronic inflammation, the hidden process that weakens muscles with age. By shielding your muscles, Broccoli helps them stay flexible, recover faster, and support daily movement. It delivers vitamin C for collagen, vitamin K, and folate for bone strength and balance, plus fiber to steady blood sugar and improve digestion. This means the protein from all your meals works harder for you. Broccoli is simple to enjoy. Steam until bright green, roast until crispy, stir-fry with garlic, or blend into soup. Just a few servings a week can lower inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and keep your body more muscle-friendly for years to come. Vegetable protein number 5, kale. Kale has earned its place as a true superfood. A cup of raw kale gives around 4 grams of protein. Its real strength comes from nutrients that protect muscles, bones, and energy with age. Vitamin K guides calcium to the right places, your bones and muscles, preventing stiffness and balance issues. Vitamin C supports collagen, the framework that keeps muscles and tendons flexible and strong. Kale contains alpha-lipoic acid, a rare antioxidant that shields muscle cells from wear and tear, slowing fatigue and weakness. Add in its trio of minerals, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, and you have natural support against cramps, heavy legs, and poor muscle coordination. Though sometimes tough or bitter, kale can be softened and enjoyed in many ways. Massage the leaves with olive oil for salads, sauté them for tenderness, or blend them into smoothies. Every serving is a quiet investment in strength, steadiness, and independence. If you're enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to like it and subscribe so we can keep bringing you empowering health tips made just for you. How's your health been lately? I'd love to hear in the comments below. If you'd like to support this mission, click the Super Thanks button. It helps us reach more seniors who want to stay strong and independent. Vegetable protein number 4, spinach. Spinach doesn't have the highest protein count, but its real gift is making the rest of your meals work harder. A 100-gram serving gives about 3 to 5 grams of protein plus magnesium, the mineral that helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without it, cramps, fatigue, and slow recovery become common. Spinach keeps movement steady and light. It contains natural nitrates which improve circulation so more oxygen reaches your muscles, giving you stamina to stay active longer. Its green pigments hold lutein and zeaxanthin, known for eye health but also powerful protectors against inflammation that wears down muscle over time. Spinach is easy to add anywhere. Scramble it with eggs, stir into soups, or sauté with garlic and olive oil. Pairing it with vitamin C foods like tomatoes boosts its iron absorption, helping you maintain steady energy. Spinach is a quiet ally for strength and resilience in later life. Vegetable protein number 3, mushrooms. Mushrooms may look plain, but they're powerful allies for strength and recovery. A 100-gram serving provides 3 to 5 grams of protein. Once cooked, that protein becomes more concentrated and easier for the body to use, giving muscles a meaningful boost. Beyond protein, mushrooms are rich in B vitamins that turn food into steady energy and selenium, which protects muscle fibers from oxidative stress. They contain unique compounds like ergothioneine and beta-glucans that calm low-grade inflammation, a hidden culprit behind fatigue, joint discomfort, and muscle loss with age. Studies show mushrooms can support recovery, strengthen antioxidant defenses, and even aid brain health. This matters because staying sharp and coordinated is just as vital as muscle strength. Versatile and tasty, mushrooms can be sautéed, roasted, or added to soups and omelets. They're quiet protectors that help keep both body and mind strong, balanced, and energized in later life. Vegetable protein number 2, green peas. Green peas look simple, but they're one of the most reliable plant proteins you can eat. A cup of cooked peas gives nearly 8 grams of protein and is especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals your body to repair and rebuild muscle. Since aging muscles respond less to protein, peas provide the push needed to keep them active. Beyond protein, peas are packed with fiber that steadies blood sugar and supports digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. They supply vitamin K and folate, which strengthen bones, improve circulation, and reduce stiffness in joints. Best of all, peas are easy to enjoy. Add them to soups, stir into rice or pasta, or mash with olive oil for a quick side. Gentle on the stomach yet surprisingly powerful, peas prove that humble foods can be mighty protectors of strength, movement, and independence. And now, vegetable protein number 1, morena. Morena is often called the miracle tree. It's been treasured for centuries across Asia and Africa, and for good reason. Its leaves are among the richest plant-based proteins on Earth. Just 100 grams of fresh morena leaves provide nearly 9 grams of protein, more than spinach, kale, or most other greens. Even more impressive, morena offers a complete protein profile containing all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth and repair. For older adults, this is a game changer because as the body becomes less responsive to protein with age, morena provides the clear signal needed to preserve and rebuild muscle. But morena is more than just protein. It carries iron to lift energy and fight fatigue, calcium to protect bones, and antioxidants to calm the steady inflammation that quietly erodes muscles and joints over time. This combination makes morena a layered defense system, protecting strength, mobility, and vitality from multiple angles. What makes morena so practical is its versatility. The fresh leaves can be simmered in soups or stews, sautéed with garlic for a simple side dish, or dried and ground into a fine powder that stirs easily into smoothies, teas, or warm drinks. Even small amounts used consistently make a meaningful difference. Unlike supplements that often come with side effects, morena works gently with the body, offering steady support day after day. If you've never tried morena before, consider this your invitation. For seniors over 60, it may be the single most powerful vegetable protein available. One that doesn't just compare to eggs, but in many ways outperforms them in the journey to stay strong, independent, and energized after 60. Morena deserves a permanent place on your table. Before we wrap up, an important reminder. The information in this video is for general educational purposes only. It is not medical advice and should never replace the guidance of your doctor or a licensed healthcare professional. If you're managing health conditions or taking medications, always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Let me recap what we've covered. From okra to asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, spinach, mushrooms, peas, and finally morena, we've uncovered 9 powerful vegetable proteins that quietly support muscle strength, mobility, and independence. Each plays a different role. Some improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Others protect your joints, circulation, or collagen. When combined with a variety of other nourishing foods, they become a true team, working together to protect your body as you age. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these vegetables will you be adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could use extra strength and energy in their life. Your support means the world and helps us continue creating videos for seniors just like you.